So guys, I found the problem with the page that we were having earlier. Our session was malfunctioning. The problem was I was emptying the variable somewhere here. Anyway, this is the fix for it. I just did this simple check and that fixed it. And I have also made some changes on this page. I have applied the session thing to all of our variables, which means these variables are now available on all the pages, and I can do a check for each of them too. So let's quickly do that now. For my last name, I'm going to bring it down here and then say it should be last name, or I could just copy this and use for this. Let's refresh and try that out. Testing last name and then testing name. And my email is obviously wrong here, but I'm going to leave it that way. I'll just enter a proper email, then submit it, and it came back with my first name and my last name here. So that works. I can do the same for my email. I can do the same for my email right here. I need to get to this point so you will see how I'll achieve this. So I can do it for my email. Just copy this, use here, and use here. The same for my, well, I can't do my password. As you can see, I'm not returning my password. They have to always reset the password. As a matter of fact, I can check if the form is submitted and clear the password, but I don't need to do that. So right here, if gender is set, then I want gender to actually, the gender selected initially to appear selected here. But let's do our department first, then we'll come back to the gender thing. Department is straightforward. I'll just have my normal check here. Okay, I need to copy it again. That's all this here and put it right here. So this is for my department, and that should work now. Let's test that out. Test this. My email should be at webmail, and my password is fine. I'm going to leave these two out, so we have an error somewhere. My comment is also fine. So when I come back, I have two errors, which is gender and designation, and then every other thing is working very well. Okay, so let me show you how to do that check for gender now. I'm going to copy this and come right here. Let's see how we can. Okay, this is designation. Let's do gender first. Gender has two options. Now, I might have to do this check for now. I'm going to do this check in each of these two options. This is what I mean. I'll bring this right here. So it's inside the option for male, and then I'll say gender. If gender is set, I'm checking if gender is set, and if gender, that's session gender is set to be, this is female, right? Female. And I'll take this out because I'm not going to be setting the value. I'm just going to be saying selected. So what I'm doing is I'm checking if gender is set and if my gender selected is female. If it is female, if it is female, then I'm going to say this option should be selected when my form refreshes. Right, let's try it out. Refresh the form, fill this out, fill my email, and then select male and submit the form. Okay, my gender is not what, oh, sorry, I've not done the male, I only did female. Right, so I'll select my female now and submit the form. My female is selected automatically. I'll refresh it and try it again. And just say again right here, so we know this is the second one. Enter my email, select the female gender, and my department is set to this and register, and I come back and female is selected. So we can do the same for male. Just copy this out and bring it right here and check if it is male, and that should work. And we can do the same for these guys. Come down, put it there. This is going to be long. I can check this and then do the same here and check if it is patient. This should be singular though. I mean singular obviously. Check if it is patient. And so I'll be stopping the tutorial soon. Let me just test this because there is a very loud noise coming from my background. Okay, so let's test this before I go on. Select this. Well, obviously one has to fail, otherwise it's going to return. Select mail and select this and submit it. So when I come back, my designation is still not working yet, probably because of probably because of it's not gender, it's supposed to be designation. I'm sure you saw that before me. So just change this and quickly change it. I have a background noise now, so it's okay. That should work. So let's try it one more time. Select mail, select this, and submit it, and it works. So we have an error displaying by returning the value in the form. And now, if we do submit everything correctly, this is wrong, obviously. Submit everything correctly, it should print out success. So right now, the next step is to actually save our data in our database, which is just a folder that we have right here. Okay, we'll continue from there.